Alright guys, so today I want to do an unboxing and review on my replacement grease trap tray. It is universal, but I did see it mostly does fit the Dyna-Glo grills. So let's go ahead and piece this together and saw it so we can see the difference. Okay, before we can start the installation, we just had to remove that plastic film that's all around it. So now I went in and started installing the handles along with the adjustable screws. And last but not least, it came with some gloves, so I was able to safely remove the back of mine. And look how bad mine had already gotten. So I was definitely in need of one. All right, now that it's ready to install, we're gonna go ahead and slide it in the back. I do like that it has these handles. Just makes it easier to take out, and it is adjustable. So if you need more or less to be smaller or bigger, you can definitely do so. Perfect. And then this part has a little spot at the bottom just to catch all the grease, so I'll go ahead and install that now. Perfect. All right, so if you're looking for a good replacement, I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10.